Camera action.
I see you looking at my PIC. I know, 그게 땡겨 좀 더 땡겨봐.
What is up, you guys? Welcome to my channel. For this video, I got a wig sent to me by Divatress. So Divatress.com is an online beauty supply store, and they have a lot of good deals and a lot of good wigs. So if you guys are ever looking for a beauty supply online, hit up Divatress. This is the wig that they sent me. It's by Outre, the Perfect Hairline. So it is a 13x6 lace front, and then it is in the style Etienne. So yeah, and then I got her in the color DR44 RED VELVET. So I don't know, I just really like how the reds be looking on me. I just feel extra fabulous and red. So I had that Daisha in the red velvet, so this is just another version of the red velvet, but in like a dark root and like some other darker blends. So this is the wig. You can basically part her anywhere in this lace front area. It has some like brighter colors, like framing your face, and then it has like really loose curls on the top, and it kind of gets a little curlier at the bottom. It says 26 inches, but to me she is really long. I don't know, I'm not a good sizer, so it might be right, but it just seems a little long to me. I don't know. So yeah, you guys, if you guys are interested to see how I style this unit, go ahead and keep watching. Again, I have been leaving the chapters for you guys, so if you guys don't wanna listen to me and just skip to the install, or don't wanna do the install and skip to my final thoughts, final look, then go ahead and pick your chapter. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for your love. Please don't forget to hit the like button or anything like that. Any comments, just subscribe if you like videos like this, because I am posting at least once a week.
Come on over, let's pick up where we left off. You and I had lots of love just to top it off. We can wind it down for days, never let it stop. I just want your everything, baby. Maybe later we can dance, never let go. Listen to our favorite songs on the radio. Losing up and lose ourselves to this feeling, oh. I just want your everything, baby. I'll be deep under your influence tonight. Ooh, keep it coming, babe. I don't mind another round. Drinking from your bottle, baby. Calling it wasted love, wasted love. I can't get enough of my baby.
guys, you can see I'm feeling myself. This is definitely a beautiful unit. This is my final look for Miss Etienne. Sorry, I can't say that, but you guys can see. And again, I got her in the color Red Velvet. These are some of the other colors that comes with, if you guys are interested. And I decided to do a left part because I love left parts, because I feel like this eye is smaller than the other one, and I try to cover it up with stuff like hair. So yeah, and yeah, so I feel like either way that you style her, in the middle, you can even try to bun it up. I think those are really cute options. I just didn't want to do too much work because I have my kids watching a movie while I do this, and I didn't want to take a lot of time doing too much, and the left part was the easiest for me. So yeah, you guys, it's definitely a cute unit. She does tangle a little bit. I mean, it is a longer unit. I don't think it's a 26. What do you guys think? I mean, I could be wrong. I guess it could be. Ooh, why is this wet? I'm sitting in something wet. But I think, yeah, I guess it could be a 26. I'm not sure. Don't quote me on that. But she does feel like long, so those tangle quite a bit. So just watch out for that. It's a synthetic and it's longer. But she is so cute, you guys. Let me know what you guys think. I think she is like a super light yaki. Let me see if you guys can see. Like, it's not shiny, so that's what I like, that it's not super silky. Those sometimes tend to be a little shinier and put off like a really synthetic-y look that I don't appreciate. So this is a really good luster to her, and she is big head friendly in my opinion. Again, it's 13 by 6, so it has all this parting space that you could go ahead and part. I didn't glue this side down because I knew I was going to be covering it with my hair. So I didn't try to, I didn't focus on the area at all. Just did this, the baby hairs, the foundation, and a little bit of heat. And she's ready to go, you guys. It's not that hard. Let me know what you guys think. This is definitely a winner in my opinion. And again, shout out to Divatress for sending me this unit. Go ahead and check them out. If you guys are interested in this one in particular, I will leave the link to her in the description box. And yeah, I don't know what else to say. I know it is one of their newer. I know it's one of their again. Sorry, my mouth is getting a little dry. So I know it's one of their newer units. I still can't get it out. It probably came out a couple of weeks ago, if not like a week or two ago. So I'm gonna get her. It is a beautiful color. I really enjoy red velvets. I had the Daisha unit, like I had mentioned. I will leave a link to her right here. And I love that color. The only difference with Daisha is she wasn't like a dark root as in this one. And then it does have like a little bit of a brighter highlights in the front. I don't know if you guys can see it. It does look really cute. Get her, you guys, get her. And even like if it does start getting matted, like I feel like you can start cutting on the ends. Like that's usually what I do. Like if you wear it once or twice, it'll start getting really tangly at the bottom and really frictiony. So I usually just like start giving it trims, and I don't even know what I'm doing, but I make it look good, you know. And it's like, I love you so much. Thanks for joining me for this video. Let me know what you guys think in the description box. She is bomb. Got me feeling and looking bomb as heck. I don't know, she's giving me, I don't know. The reason why I picked this color too is, I don't know if you guys have watched the Bling Empire on Netflix, and there's this girl Kim, and in one of the seasons she has her hair like a bright pink fuchsia burgundy look, and I was like, damn, she looks so good. And ever since I watched her, I'm like, I'm gonna try to get a wig that looks like that. And yeah, I do feel like I achieved that look. So let me know if you guys know who I'm talking about. Thanks so much for the love and the support. You guys are awesome. Have a blessed day. Bye, guys.
Lights, camera, action. I see you looking at my PIC.